Welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a real quick video on how to install the Follow My Line drive mode cover. This cover protects you from inadvertently turning off the traction control or changing the drive mode while you're ripping through gears driving around town or on track trying to set your fastest lap. So I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to install. First thing you're going to want to do is make sure that this part of your center console bezel is clean. Using a alcohol wipe, you just want to take and make a few passes on that part of the bezel because that is where the adhesive goes, on the portion that slopes down towards the shifter. You're going to wait for that to dry. You can aid it by fanning it off or just giving it some time. And once that is dry, you're going to take your drive mode cover. You're going to make sure the felt line side is facing down. It should be pretty straightforward, but the adhesive here is going to sit on this section here. So what you want to do is line it up by setting it down where it's supposed to go, and then making sure that as you push this down, it is lining up with the bezel. There's a slight curve here, but the thickness of the 3M tape will make up for that slight curve. Once you've gotten your position finalized, you're going to hold the cover in place, lift the hinge up, and peel away the protective layer. And then you're going to push down and hold it there for about 20 to 35 seconds. Once you've done that, you're all set. That's all there is to it. Now your drive mode cover will protect you from accidentally or inadvertently pushing the buttons here when you're shifting and ripping through the gears, going from third to fourth or first to second, etc. Hopefully that clears up the install for you, and you no longer have to worry about pushing the buttons inadvertently. Till next time, till the next project, see you then.